Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how you can connect your Android Studio with your actual mobile phone. So guys, if you have installed Android Studio and you are trying to run your application on AVD or emulator, and if you don't have good enough RAM, then sometime it happens your application runs very slowly. In that case, you can connect your actual mobile phone and Studio and you can run your application. So guys, I will be showing you all the steps one by one, so do watch my video till end. So guys, let's start. So guys, first of all I will be showing you what settings you have to do on your mobile phone. After that I will be showing you how you can connect your mobile phone and your Android Studio. So let's dive into this. So guys, let's go to the settings of mobile phone. So take your mobile phone and in that go to settings, and in settings go to about section of your phone. So guys, actually what step I am showing you, how to enable developer option. Unless you enable developer option, you can't connect your mobile phone and your Android Studio. Under developer option we have to do certain settings. Okay, so now after going to about section of your phone, you have to go to software information. I'm having Vivo mobile, you may have different mobile, then this configuration may differ. You just check it out, where is your build number. Okay, so in my case my build number is under software information. So I'm just scrolling down here, and guys, here I'm having my build number. So guys, I will be tapping this build number several times, so it will do what, enable my developer option. So you can see you are now in developer mode. So now guys, let's search developer option, and so here in search I'm just typing developer. So you can see now this developer option it's showing, and guys you can see it has been enabled. Okay, how it has been enabled? Because we tap build number several times, hence it is enabled. So developer option is enabled now. Now let's move to the searching of wireless debugging. So here I will be searching wireless debugging. So guys, here let me just tell you, you can connect your actual mobile phone to Android Studio by three ways. One is using your USB cable, another way is what, through your wireless debugging option. So if you are doing wireless debugging, then again you have two options. You can connect it through QR code or you can connect through some code. Okay, so in this video I will be showing you how you can connect through QR code. Okay, I will be creating separate video for how you can connect your Android Studio through code or through USB. Okay, so now here I'm searching wireless debugging, and here guys just scroll down, and here you can see wireless debugging option is there, but it is not enabled. So I need to just enable it, and then guys it's showing me some information, so I need to just click on this allow. So my wireless debugging option is enabled now. Now I need to go to this option, so I will just click on this wireless debugging option. Here under wireless debugging you can see we have two options, pair through QR code or connect through code. Okay, so guys, now I will be showing you settings of Android Studio. So you have to go to device manager in your Android Studio, and guys here you can see pair using Wi-Fi option we have, and here also we have pair using Wi-Fi. You can select any of this option. So let me just quickly select this pair using Wi-Fi, and here guys you can see it's showing me QR code. So I need to just select the pair using QR code from my mobile phone in wireless debugging, and now guys your back camera will start and you have to scan this QR code, and boom guys, you can see my Android Studio has been connected to my this phone through this QR code. Here you can see it's showing me Vivo phone connected through Wi-Fi, and here also it's showing me message. So that means my connection is successful. Even you can see on mobile device also it's showing me my desktop name over here. Okay, and in device manager also it's showing me my phone name, and it's showing me physical phone is connected, right? And at the top also you can see it's showing me physical phone name. So guys, I'm clicking on this play button to run my application. My application is very simple. It is going to just print a hello world. It's a normal application. So guys, it is building and installing my APK on my actual physical mobile device. So once it will complete, you will see output on my mobile screen. So let's wait for it. Okay guys, so you can see here I'm getting hello world on my screen, and here in Android Studio you can see the information. It's showing that it has connected to Vivo device. Okay, so my device name it is showing. So now I will just search for my application name. So you can see my application name is demo app. So what I'm doing, I'm just showing you that yes, actually the APK has been installed. So here I'm just searching demo app, and here guys you can see it's showing me my application name, that is demo app. Guys, this way we have connected our mobile devices to Android Studio. Now guys, I will be showing you how you can remove this connection. So connection can be removed from your cell phone. So you have to go to your wireless debugging option, and you can see the connection. It's showing your PC name, and now here click on this. You can select what forget option, so it will forget that Wi-Fi and your connection is removed. Here you can see now in device manager my connection is removed. So there is no option to remove this connection through Android Studio. You can forget through your mobile phone. So if you want to remove the connection, you can follow this. So that's all guys, I conclude my video. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. So guys, if you really liked it, please hit on like button, and if you have any query you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, if you like this video, please share with your friends, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Guys, it takes lots of effort to create such kind of video. I hope you understand that your subscription is very important for me, so please subscribe to my channel. And guys, I'm sharing lots of PDF and resources on my Telegram channel. You can join my Telegram channel also. I'm there on Instagram also. You can follow me there also. All my social media link I have shared in description box. You can follow and join through that. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep learning, keep watching guys.